nice exchange of kicks between both of them. Oh, what a slam! The next bout is an atomweight bout between Jojo Kumari and Pooja Tomar.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Jojo Rajkumari!
Alright, Manan, I'm really excited about this bout. We've got Jojo Kumari coming all the way from Manipur.
Wow, look at the way she's dressed.
Wow, really excited. The entire Manipur is watching her today. They're praying that she wins. This is a big fight night for her.
राहुल, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब कोई अपने इलाके को, अपनी टीम को इस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करता है. वो अपना फ्लैग लेके आ रही है अपने साथ.
To the cage.
ये देखिए, इसे कहते हैं मार्शल आर्ट्स. रिस्पेक्ट, ह्यूमिलिटी. केज में घुसने से पहले ट्रेडिशनल तरीके से जोजो कुमारी रिस्पेक्ट दिखा रही हैं और बाव कर रही हैं. वाओ!
Jojo Rajkumari, what a way to enter the cage. Excited, stoked, Manan.
And now making her way to the cage, Pooja Tomar!
Ladies and gentlemen, Pooja Tomar is back in the Indian circuit. She's been fighting outside and then she makes her way back to the Indian circuit. Look at the way she's walking. Look at the confidence. That's Pooja Tomar. Pooja the Cyclone Tomar. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matrix Fight Night 6. I am Rahul, joined by my co-commentator Anantata.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting a mixed martial artist. She weighed in at 50 kilograms, representing Manipur. Make some noise for the Cobra Queen, Jojo Rajkumari! And now, presenting a Wushu artist. She weighed in at 48.5 kilograms, representing Delhi, Pooja Cyclone Tomar!
At the same time, what Jojo needs to do is she's got to stay patient, go with the flow. And the action begins, both the fighters assessing each other's range, and I think Pooja is setting up a major right hand. Both these fighters. Whoa! Had that landed, would have been devastating. Manan, Pooja is walking into this fight with a knee injury. Alright, a nice right kick by Jojo Rajkumari. Misses it.
दोनों फाइटर्स अभी अपना टाइम ले रहे हैं, एक दूसरे की रेंज समझ रहे हैं. और अच्छी किक थी ये, हार्ड किक थी और बहुत अच्छा काम किया जोजो ने किक मारने के बाद फटाफट वहां से निकलने का. That was a nice spinning back fist.
I think Pooja is angry now, we can see it. Look at the footwork. Look at the footwork. Jojo Rajkumari is a kickboxer. She's going all around the cage. And then we've got Pooja Tomar standing still, trying to assess the opponent and looking forward to land some heavy punches.
Rahul, I gotta say, I'm really liking the way Jojo is moving. It's very beastly, it's very savage, it looks powerful.
At the same time, she's got to stop feinting. If she's throwing in a kick, let it go, let it go, let it hit the target.
Well, I think she's just taking her time right now, Rahul. It's round one, she's trying to see what her opponent is like.
As I said, she would like to stay patient. Whoa, nice exchange of kicks between both of them. Both the fighters talking to each other.
That exchange ended with Jojo saying, come on.
Okay, Pooja charging in. Pooja's got Jojo against the cage.
I think Pooja seems to have had enough and she's like, let's just take this down and finish it.
Let's take it down. Let's get to business, baby. So Pooja Tomar returns back to the Indian circuit with Matrix Fight Night 6. She's going in for a takedown. She's got a dominant position here. Now what Pooja needs to do here is control the position. Oh, she's getting on the mount. She's got the back. She's got the back. She kind of has the back. All right. Okay. What a slam. Now what Pooja needs to do here is lock those legs But I think there's a turn of tables here.
बहुत
Pooja's-
ही
okay.
बढ़िया डिफेंस राहुल, कमाल है. I am impressed with जोजो. She got out of that.
Impressive striking, Manan.
बहुत ही अच्छी गेम खेल रही हैं जोजो. काफी खतरनाक हो सकती थी वो पोजीशन जब पूजा ने बैक ली थी उनकी. और अब देखो खेल पलट चुका है. जोजो ऊपर है और पूजा नीचे है.
Well, this is a big fight for Jojo. If Jojo wins this, she's going to be making waves across the country and in the Asian subcontinent.
यस राहुल, इट विल बी अ ह्यूज डील अगर जोजो ये फाइट जीत जाती हैं. किसी को नहीं लग रहा कि जोजो जीत सकती हैं. सबको लग रहा है पूजा ही जीतेंगी क्योंकि पूजा वेटरन फाइटर हैं. बट अभी तक जोजो की परफॉर्मेंस देख के मुझे लग रहा है कुछ भी हो सकता है. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक राइट नाउ जोजो इज विनिंग राहुल.
Well, Jojo is the underdog here. We've got less than 2 minutes in this round. Jojo is stuck in Pooja's guard. Referee calls in for the action. Both the fighters trying to prove who's the best. Oh, nice vicious kicks. Those kicks are really vicious. Now these girls are on fire tonight.
बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन है जोजो का इस फाइट में. मूवमेंट अच्छी है, किक्स अच्छी हैं, ग्राउंड पे भी डोमिनेट कर रही हैं. आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस्ड राहुल.
Both the fighters assessing each other once again, and I think Pooja is looking for one heavy shot that's going to knock out Jojo.
पूजा का साइज देखो राहुल, इट्स हेवियर देन जोजो. She definitely carries more power than Jojo.
Of course, Manan. But yesterday at the weigh-ins, Jojo missed weight. This is an atom weight bout booked at below 48 kgs. Jojo couldn't make weight yesterday.
And see, again Jojo got out of there. This footwork is what is working for her, Rahul. And if she keeps this up for 3 rounds,
It's going to be an upset. It's going to be an upset for the night. We got less than 30 seconds in the bout now. Wow, Jojo charges in, throws in a left hand. Pooja is here for a brawl. Both these girls fighting like anything.
क्या एंट्री थी जोजो की, दौड़ते हुए वो अपना पंच लेके आई. एंड अगेन एक्सचेंज, आई थिंक वो ही जीती हैं, जोजो ही जीती हैं ये एक्सचेंज भी.
So far, Jojo's been really explosive. 10 more seconds to the round. This bout is going to the next round, and we should expect some fireworks from both these ladies.
ये राउंड जोजो को जाता है.
Exactly, Jojo's been explosive. This is a big fight night for her. Manan, do you know Jojo was... Action begins. This is round 2, atomweight bout. We got Jojo Rajkumari in the blue corner, hailing in from Manipur, taking on Pooja, the Cyclone Tomar, in the red corner.
राहुल, पूजा के फेस पे मुझे थोड़ी स्वेलिंग नजर आ रही है. काफी रेड लग रहा है उनका फेस.
Whoa, she goes in for a big right hand, misses the target. Manan, Jojo looks really hungry here. She's hungry for success. A counter kick. That was a vicious one.
बिल्कुल, जोजो को अपना काम कंपोजर मेंटेन करना होगा. उन्होंने फर्स्ट राउंड में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, उनको वैसे ही परफॉर्म करना है इस राउंड में भी.
Manan, what Pooja needs to do here is throw more strikes, powerful strikes. She's got international exposure. She's got international experience. Oh, that was a good counter right hand. All right, a spinning back fist once again, misses the
Lovely
target.
tricks, man. I love it. I love how this girl moves.
Whoa!
Wow.
What a shot!
Wow, she
Jojo
faked that
Rajkumari, bang on target.
और राहुल, मजे की बात यह है कि जब ये स्ट्राइक करती हैं, इन पे काउंटर स्ट्राइक करना बहुत मुश्किल है, because before you know it, she's out of there.
You know, this is the best thing about Pooja Tomar here. She is a counter striker. She's going in, she's waiting for the opponent to throw in the first strike and then going in for the counter strike.
बट राहुल, उनकी काउंटर स्ट्राइकिंग उतनी इफेक्टिव नहीं है अभी तक, क्योंकि जोजो का मूवमेंट, जोजो की फुटवर्क बहुत अच्छा है.
Bird needs a desperate knockout here so as to prove that she's still in the game.
बिल्कुल राहुल, आई थिंक पूजा को कुछ रिस्क लेने शुरू कर देने चाहिए अब. पूजा के पास काफी मसल मास है, काफी पावर है. शी नीड्स टू लेट लूज सम ऑफ दैट पावर. शी नीड्स टू थ्रो heavy punches, heavy kicks and maybe look for a knockout.
And I think she's got to stop doing those counters. She's got to go attacking. Go one by one. Whoa! What an action! What an action! Pooja's taking Jojo down. Pooja is going in for the mount. If she gets the mount, she can finish the bout here.
फाइनली पूजा ने वो किया जो उनको करना चाहिए था। उन्होंने अपनी पावर इस्तेमाल करी और इस बार वो लैंड भी कर गई। इस बार जोजो वहां से निकल नहीं पाई। अब देखना ये है कि पूजा ग्राउंड पे इस फाइट को खत्म कर पाती हैं या जोजो यहां से बच के निकल लेती हैं।
We got 2 more minutes in this round. Pooja is stuck in the half guard. What she needs to do is get onto the mount. Jojo goes in for a reversal.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
कमाल हो गया यार, कमाल हो गया।
Pooja trying to lock in a triangle. Oh, she's got the hooks. She's got the latch. Okay. Oh, what a slam. Jojo Rajkumari here in with the slam.
जोजो इज ऑन फायर। राहुल, क्या करोगे आप एक ऐसे फाइटर के अगेंस्ट जो स्ट्राइकिंग में भी अच्छा है, ग्राउंड पे भी अच्छा है, आपको उठा उठा के पटक रहा है? क्या करोगे आप एक ऐसे फाइटर के
What a
against?
flurry of kicks.
कमाल कर दिया राहुल जोजो ने, इस केज में आग लगा दी है।
We got 90 more seconds in this round. Pooja looks a bit helpless here. She gets up, a technical stand-up.
पूरा मणिपुर आज इस फाइट को शान से देख रहा होगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the Cobra Queen, Jojo Rajkumari, taking on Pooja the Cyclone Tomar. So far, what an exciting bout this has been.
राहुल, इस फाइट में किसी भी तरह से जब पूजा ने अटैक करने की कोशिश करी है, एंड में जोजो ही जीती हैं उस एक्सचेंज को, चाहे वो ग्राउंड पे हो, चाहे वो स्ट्राइकिंग का एक्सचेंज हो। आपको क्या लगता है इस तरह की सिचुएशन कॉन्फिडेंस पे असर करती है?
Manan, we got around 30 seconds in the bout. Jojo looks tired here. At the same time, Pooja looks charged up. She's striking. She's throwing in punches. She's got the control. Can Pooja Tomar turn tables here?
The only thing Pooja can do now, Rahul, is look for a finish, because other than that, Jojo is winning.
Oh,
that
what
was
a vicious
bad
elbow. Pooja Tomar with a vicious elbow here. We got 10 more seconds in this bout. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matrix Fight Night and we are live from the city of Gold, Dubai. Extreme action promised for the night. This bout is going the distance. Round 3 begins. We've got Pooja taking on Jojo Rajkumari. Pooja throws in a vicious right kick. She's assessing the distance. We can see Jojo Rajkumari moving in. All right. Again, a counter kick by Pooja here.
जोजो को पता है कहीं ना कहीं कि वो जीत रही हैं, उनको ध्यान से खेलना है, उनको अपने गेम प्लान को फॉलो करना है और वो ये फाइट जीत जाएंगी।
This is the only round Pooja has to prove that she is still in the game. She's a dominant fighter here. She's got international experience, exposure, and she's got to show it right now.
पूजा मौका ढूंढ रही हैं। पूजा को चाहिए बस एक मौका जहां वो पूरी पावर से मार सकें और फाइट को खत्म कर सकें।
Exactly, and Pooja doesn't need to stop. She needs to throw these strikes one by one, combinations, one after the other one.
जब ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है राहुल कि आपको पता है आपको सब कुछ लगा देना है, आपको फिनिश करना है फाइट को, do you think that puts pressure on you or do you think that makes it simple for you because now you know what needs to be done?
Of course, and I think excellent performance comes under pressure. Let's see who of these two fighters is excellent in the game. We can hear Pooja's counter shouting, go for the combinations, go for the kill, throw strikes one by one, don't stop. You gotta win this bout, you gotta start striking. Combinations one by one. You gotta stop doing this one strike and pulling back. This is not how you win the bouts. Whoa! Alright, Pooja takes Jojo Kumari down. Pooja is in the side control.
यहाँ पे पूजा फाइट को फिनिश करने की कोशिश करेंगी। पिछले राउंड्स में राहुल फाइट जब भी ग्राउंड पे गई है, जोजो वहां से बहुत आसानी से निकल गई हैं।
Jojo is very good with the reversals.
इस बार जब फाइट ग्राउंड पे गई, पूजा के कॉर्नर ने क्लियरली बोला पोजीशन को कंट्रोल करके रखना, पोजीशन को मत लूज करना।
Exactly, and what she needs to do here, from here, is throw in some vicious elbows, make some damage, because so far Jojo does not look damaged at all.
बिल्कुल राहुल, और वो अपना टाइम ले रही हैं। पोजीशन को मेंटेन कर रही हैं, जैसे कि उनके कॉर्नर ने कहा। उन्हें पता है ये आखिरी राउंड है और इस राउंड में उनको फाइट को फिनिश करना है। इस मौके को वो हाथ से नहीं जाने देना चाहती।
All right, we've got less than 2.5 minutes in this round. Jojo Rajkumari gets out of the position once again, takes a kick on the face. Both the fighters standing once again.
This is very good for Jojo, Rahul. She got out of that dangerous position and she's back on her feet.
What Pooja needs to do here is, if she's got to finish this bout, if she wants to win this match, she's got to throw combinations one by one.
2 मिनट से कम बचे हैं इस फाइट में राहुल। क्या पूजा इस फाइट को खत्म कर पाएंगी या क्या जोजो कुमारी एक नई सुपरस्टार बन जाएंगी एमएफएन में?
Manan, the entire state of Manipur is praying in for Jojo Rajkumari today, and if she wins today, it's going to be a major upset.
मुझे पर्सनली बहुत मजा आया है जोजो की फाइटिंग देख के। वो बैक फिस्ट्स, वो लातें, ग्राउंड से फटाफट निकल जाना, मैं काफी इंप्रेस्ड हूं राहुल।
Is Jojo Kumari a new name in the Indian MMA?
Action fighters, action!
Referee calls in for actions.
पूजा को इस टाइम सब कुछ दांव पे लगा देना चाहिए।
Oh, nice kick by Pooja Toma here. We've got just more than 1 minute in this round.
बट उससे शायद बात नहीं बनेगी राहुल। उन किक्स, दोस किक्स विल नॉट बी इनफ। पूजा को दांव पे लगाना पड़ेगा सब कुछ। पूजा विल हैव टू गो फॉर द किल।
We got less than 60 seconds in this round. This is round 3. We got Jojo Rajkumari in the blue corner taking on Pooja Cyclone Tomar in the red corner. Intense action between both these ladies, and so far, I think Jojo has been dominating this bout.
I agree with you राहुल। मुझे भी लगता है जोजो इस फाइट को जीत रही हैं।
Both the ladies in a scramble now. Jojo trying to throw in those hammer
और
punches.
जोजो पूजा लेग लॉक लगाने की कोशिश कर रही हैं। क्या ये लेग लॉक लग पाएगा? और हमेशा की तरह जोजो वहां से निकल गई। वाओ, क्या परफॉर्मेंस है।
10 more seconds to the round. Jojo throwing kicks one by one.
Rahul, we have a new
Combinations.
female superstar in Matrix Fight Night.
All
Wow.
right, that's it. That was the third round between Jojo Kumari in the blue corner and Pooja the Cyclone Tomar in the red corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judges scored about 29-30, 29-30, and 30-29, declaring the winner by split decision from the red corner, Pooja Tomar.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the winner for this bout, Pooja Tomar via split decision. And I think those counters actually paid a lot.